Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Desi Ghee from Malai easy method. Start with fresh Malai, whisk gently to loosen cream, then simmer on low heat in a wide pan. Skim foam occasionally and watch for color change as moisture evaporates. When solids settle and ghee turns golden, strain through a muslin cloth into a dry jar and cool before sealing for best flavor. Begin by gathering chilled Malai in a wide, heavy-bottomed pan for even cooking. Gently warm Malai until it releases liquid, then simmer on low to separate butterfat. Skim off white foam as it forms, keeping flame steady to prevent browning. Once milk solids sink and the liquid becomes clear golden ghee, strain through a fine cloth into a clean jar and let it cool before capping for storage. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support more easy kitchen content. Quick recommendation. The Simple Path to Wealth is a practical book that can change how you think about money and future planning, and it pairs well with simple, mindful cooking habits. Browse the description for the link and other deals that support the channel. And if you pick it up, you'll get great insight and a calm read. Now let's get back to the video. Keep the heat low and patient, as rushing causes milk solids to brown and alters flavor. Use a wide pan so water evaporates evenly and solids separate cleanly. Once strained, pour into dry airtight jars and label with the date for easy tracking. Store at room temperature away from sunlight, and always use a clean spoon to maintain quality and extend shelf life for many uses in cooking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.